Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new pre-owned 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Now the exterior color is a race red, and under the hood we have a 5.7L V8 Hemi engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our projection styled headlamps, our LED daytime running lights, and a pair of fog lamps. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Goodyear tires, as well as we have our OEM running boards and our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear. At the rear we have our dual tipped exhaust, as well as our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera and our Laramie 4x4 badging. And we also have our locking tailgate, and inside the box we have our spray and bed liner and a soft tonneau cover on top. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we have heated mirrors. And as we look at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial with our tilt steering wheel and our foot pedal adjustment switch. We have our hands-free controls on the left and our cruise control settings on the right. Now as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights. And as we look at our interior, we have a nice black leather with our Laramie stamping. And we have a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger, as well as memory seating options for the driver. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 23,550 kilometers. And as we look ahead, we have our touchscreen display, which allows for radio control, media, climate control, Uconnect apps, and many more great features. And underneath we have our dual climate control area, which allows for heated seats, as well as air conditioned seats and a heated steering wheel for both driver and passenger. And over to the right we have our AC outlet, and underneath we have our 12-volt adapter to the left side, as well as another 12-volt adapter. And as we look at our centerpiece, we have our 3 cup holders and our center console with tons of storage underneath. At the rear, we have tons of storage in the doors for passengers, as well as power windows, and more storage in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have our own ventilation system for the passengers. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Dodge Ram, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.